Your life scattered across separate tools, one for tasks, another for habits, a different one for journaling. Switching between them means losing context. Journal, it brings everything together. One dashboard shows what matters, upcoming tasks, key metrics, insights from across your workspace. One timeline captures your complete day, habits tracked, thoughts journaled, notes taken, tasks finished, metrics logged. Everything in one place, organized and complete. The 5 concepts. Introduction. Journal. It introduces 5 unique concepts. Each one is designed to make your life more organized in powerful new ways. We'll introduce each here, and each concept has its own detailed video when you're ready to dive deeper. Concepts 1 and 2, objectives and planner items. Let's start with 2 related concepts, objectives and planner items. Most productivity apps put tasks directly on your calendar, but tasks aren't appointments. Most don't have fixed execution times. Journal, it separates these with 2 concepts that distinguish workflow management from time management. First, objectives. Your tasks and goals live in the Objective tab, where you manage them through their stages, separate from your calendar. Second, planner items. These appear on your schedule. For simple tasks, use calendar sessions or reminders directly. For bigger work spanning multiple sessions, link them to an objective. Each session becomes a separate planner item, all connected back to the same objective. Your full work history is preserved. 2 concepts working together. Third, flexible time blocking. Traditional time blocking uses rigid blocks with exact start and end times. Journal, it makes blocks flexible. Day themes like work, weekend, and holiday provide the big picture. Time blocks like deep work, meetings, and personal provide structure. But here's the key. Blocks can have multiple time ranges on the same day, shift as your schedule changes, or have no time at all. Your sessions land in blocks for organization without the rigidity. Fourth, organizers. Journal. It gives you intelligent organizers, each type with unique abilities. They're more than just folders or tags. Areas for life domains. You can see the notes, journal entries, and planning items belonging to the area here. Projects for life's journeys. Activities for what you do regularly. Tasks, goals, trackers, habits. Labels, people, places. Each one purpose-built for how you actually use it. Each organizer has its own timeline and custom dashboard. Click your work area, and its timeline shows everything. Journal entries, completed tasks, meeting notes, all in one chronological story. Fifth, schedulers. In most to-do apps, a repeating task is a single item. You only see the next occurrence, and when it repeats, it's the same item again. Journal, it creates unique planner items for each occurrence. They can be linked to a task or stand alone. This means you can edit one without affecting the others. Tap the Repeat section to set or edit a repeating schedule with a scheduler. You have standard scheduling patterns like days of week or every few days. But Journal, it goes further with unique options. Days of theme, so your morning routine only appears on work days. Days with block, so deep work sessions only show up when you have deep work blocks scheduled. Combine multiple patterns in one scheduler and control how overdue items are handled with configurable policies. Skip a day when you need to. Customize any instance. It's flexible repetition that adapts to how you actually work. Main interface, adaptive layout. You now understand the 5 concepts that make Journalit different. Next, let's explore the interface so you can navigate confidently and use these concepts effectively. Journalit has an adaptive layout. In portrait mode or narrow windows, you get compact UI with single-pane view, bottom navigation tabs, and hamburger menu. In landscape, on tablets or desktop, you get big UI with multi-pane layout, side navigation, and simultaneous views. On mobile, there's a helpful trick. You can rotate to landscape to quickly switch between views, then rotate back. The new view appears on top. Main interface, actions bar, tabs, and side panel. At the top is the actions bar. The hamburger menu opens the side panel for settings, themes, and calendars. The sync button shows your cloud sync status. The main interface has 5 tabs. Home shows your dashboard and timeline. Planner shows your schedule in day, week, month, or backlog views. Objective manages your tasks and goals. Library stores your notes and files. And Organizer is where you manage all your organizers. On the Home tab, you'll find a context switcher that lets you toggle between your default view or specific organizers like areas and projects. Each tab has a floating Add button that creates items right where you need them. The side panel gives you an additional dashboard and shortcuts to features like navigation, day themes, calendars, and settings. Command Center, your universal tool. The Command Center is your universal tool for search, statistics, and navigation. It's always just a gesture away. In Compact UI, scroll up from anywhere. In Big UI, tap the icon in the bottom right. Smart Search finds anything across your workspace. Looking for something specific? Filter by type by adding it after your search. Try Meeting Entry to find journal entries, or Marketing Task to find tasks. Need quick stats? Type time periods like this week or last month, and you'll get instant insights. For date navigation, type day names like Monday or specific dates like Jan 11th to jump right there. One helpful note, search focuses on active content. It excludes archived items and limits journal entries to the last 30 days, so you find what's relevant now. Drag and drop, universal pattern. Drag and drop connects everything in Journalit. It's how you schedule work, add mentions, and organize content. Press and hold any item to start dragging. In Big UI, you can drag between open panes. In Compact UI, start dragging. Navigate to another view, then drop. Some views have drag handles for reordering. Let's see the key workflows. Drag and drop, what and where. You can drag planning items like tasks, goals, and habits. You can drag content like notes, entries, and files. You can even drag from outside the app: files, URLs, images, and text. Drop into folders to organize your content. It's a flexible system that makes connections natural. Quick recap. You've explored 5 new concepts that make Journalit different. You learned the main interface with its adaptive layout. You mastered the command center for search and navigation. And you discovered drag and drop for connecting everything together. Series preview and next steps. This is video 1 of our Getting Started series. Choose what to watch next based on what you want to focus on first. Interested in planning? Check out the planner and tasks and goals. Want to build your knowledge system? Jump to note-taking and knowledge. Ready to start journaling? Watch journaling and reflection. Once you've explored that, watch Organizing Your Life to see how all the pieces connect through organizers. For complete details, our written user guide is at home.journalit.app/guide. If you haven't downloaded Journalit yet, it's available on iOS, Android, macOS App Store, and the web at journalit.app. Now you can navigate confidently, explore the app, or continue to the next video. Let's get started.